A 19-year-old man was crushed to death in Bog Walk. A 19-year-old man was crushed to death in two-vehicle collision on Bog Walk Road in St. Catherine on Thursday. Police reports are that around 7:50 a.m., Ricardo Stephenson of Riverdale, St. Catherine address was driving a Suzuki Swift motor car which collided with a truck. Police and firefighters were called to the scene. Among other things removed from the victim, the motor car, reports are that he died on the spot. The crash caused a massive traffic jam along the busy roadway, forcing motorists to have to use the alternative route. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.